in mint condition involves a proactive approach to caring for both the mechanical component and the aesthetic appearance of your vehicle.
Welcome to Masters.
Me Namiya Mastano. Regular service schedule and developing healthy driving habit, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your ride running smoothly for years.
Coming up next, Under the Hood.
The idea is to say, eh?
Yeah, we take it time.
Oh, you know, comes to watch them. 213 tail light. The E-Class. Somebody is coming for it, so I just came to pick it up.
Mr. Kamal, you are warmly welcome.
Thank you, madam.
Pacha Tete and Sempi Yafa Mercedes Benz home, ni engines, ni fluid, ni causes overheating. And so home you are high in your bonny beer. Me pese Oka and Sam cry from Mercedes Benz home. Not one Cassan Juma Benz on our way.
Especially for Mercedes Benz.
Okay.
Yeah, anything about Mercedes Benz. Yeah. Mercedes is not known for these overheating things. Unless say customer neglect checking of the car consistent.
Okay.
Like car. Say every day or if not even every day, say within 2 or 3 days you have to open it, you check your oil, you check your water.
Okay.
So we soon a bath from as well. And now soon bath from just like that. It comes down when there's a leakage.
So and I was a necessary transmission fluid. I was Mercedes Benz. I was me driving the car because I'm not seeing the problem.
Now, so see, with the modern cars we have now, you don't have to calculate. Say my driving car, no, 1 month, 3 months, 4 months. It's Nissan oil, and we have different type of servicing. I'm out for him. We have service A, we have service B, we have service C, we have service C4. We have all of them. The service A2 or B2 is you have to change all the liquids in the car.
Okay.
The engine oil, the transmission, the water, the coolant, and the brake fluid. You need to change all those ones.
So, Emre Ben was a necessary coolant system. Any thermostats?
With the cars that are mainly produced for Africa.
Okay.
Most of them, one bar, their thermostat is almost 75 degrees. But the ones meant for outside, the cool place, that one is 87. Okay. But sometimes in the car, car overheating. Now, thermostat is strong. Because thermostat has its own special work. And now we disconnected thermostat at work. So it will last 10 years. It will last maybe 5 years or 6 years.
Because of you removing it in the car.
Thermostat. Because thermostat in the Juma area, and say, you show the car, the coolant in our car. Thermostat in chimney.
Okay.
Chimney, half our tank, and a half of so engine.
Okay.
Until Sakani a Juma, Nasa, so thermostat, 75 degrees. It do 75 degrees now. The thermostat will open.
Okay.
When the thermostat open now, you sooner a war tank room, a fan, a cooling down, and no a fat top aqua engine. And the one engine my age man, and also a back to come and cool up. But so who disconnected thermostat now? I said the woman soon a running. Each other until any time no engine no any time at the home.
Okay.